In all my years of working with Bondo, doing custom work, I have never done this. And just so we have proof, I'm not the one doing it.
Bruh.
So if it works, I guess this old dog just learned a new trick. I'm not old. I'm not saying I'm old. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying, you know.
Tips.
You're never too not young to learn. Yeah, that's what I meant to say.
It is.
Yeah, never not too young. You know. Change in direction just a little bit. It was too much of a protruding piece right here, so we cut that out. We gotta square it off, bondle that, get it done. You see that still the form is hard from since 2014. Found a marker. Thanks, Jeremiah. Leave shit where I want it. Go back looking for it. Can't find it. Some asshole moved. So there's a piece. Those of you thinking about doing this piece on the here for the 350Z, you're gonna have to cut this out. This right here, and this right here. Cut all of it out. It's to protect the mechanism right here when it moves, but it doesn't go that far. So now I know where I gotta cut. I'm good. Put this in here. Bam. Money. Because this piece is not going all the way down. So let me get the radio bezel. This is where it gets tricky. So you want to do something like this, you're gonna have to pull this back and then bring this in place and then screw it in. So see right here, when you put that screw in, that's what's gonna hold this in place. All right, but the clips for the back of my AC radio bezel are broken in the back, so I'm gonna have to find a way to secure it, to keep it in. Then once that's in place, I'm gonna screw everything in place, keep it where it's at right now. And what I was talking about is this right here. I mean, it might work.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, it's not too bad. So, yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and leave it. Just get the piece from the 350Z to put in here to cover this up. So, get this in place. Make sure it stays in. Finish this edge, these edges to suit the rest of the dashboard. Clean all this up. And next time you see this, these will be primed. The gauge cluster from the 350Z up top will be primed, and this will be going to Alex to get covered. I might try to do it myself, see how it turns out. And if it don't work, I'll just pull the fabric off and get it over to a professional. But right here. So I think I'm gonna sand some of this off just to see it fits right. Screw that in, make sure it all stays in place. But here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. So, custom dashboard, 350Z, waterfall, the 3 gauges, the stereo go in here, stock AC controls for the 240, and I'm going to look into getting the forgot what they call it, from the Japanese model, the wire in for this one, and 2 gauges going down here, shifter. So all this is 350Z right here, 350Z. All right. So you guys let me know what you think. Again, it's the last you're gonna see of this until it's done. All right.